Here is a article from Go Banking Rates. These are, in their opinion, the 5 best investment apps currently out there, 2021. So obviously there's investment apps galore. We can go down a whole laundry list of what's out there. But according to Go Banking Rates, these are the 5 best investment apps right now. Right now. Okay? So the explosion of investment apps has opened the stock market to investors of all capabilities. Here's a look at the top 5 in their opinion. So the best for beginners, number 1, the best for beginners, they got Robinhood on that list.
I knew it.
You want to begin? You go to Robinhood. This is according to them. Whereas online brokerage houses have long been driving down commission rates from the hundreds of dollars even charged by full-service brokers, Robinhood's was the first to make commission-free trading possible. Basically, what I'm just saying is trading commissions used to be out of control. Used to be hundreds of dollars, and they brought it down to $25 a trade. Then it was $5 a trade.
Yeah,
Robinhood said zero.
Okay, yeah.
Zero. Free to trade.
Money, but then you know what they're doing? Yeah, okay, you know what we're making money off of? Your data.
Your data.
We're just selling
your data and your data.
Yeah, your data, your data.
There's no such thing as a free lunch. You know how they say that?
Yeah, exactly.
So how's Robinhood making their money?
Selling your data.
On the data.
Yeah. Also, the whole GameStop thing.
Yep.
Once people started making money, they're like, the app crashed.
Well, they get a lot of their funding from some of these
exactly. So
funds,
it's like
hedge funds, hedge funds. So
I don't know.
Anyway, I think Robinhood long term they're gonna be a player. You know, short term with everything that happened with that, they definitely had a black eye.
It's kind of like selling someone a fake watch or whatever.
Ooh, great callback. So now, anyway, Robinhood, you can buy stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto for no commissions. That's the big selling point. No commissions. There's no account minimums on Robinhood either. All right, cool. So if you want to get beginner, you want to get started, look into Robinhood. Number 2, these are your top 5 investment apps according to Go Banking Rates. Number 2, the best for research tools is Weeble.
Yes.
You ever heard of Weeble?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. They're always like, get a free stock from Weeble. Any like financial guy, get a free stock from Weeble. Maybe we'll look into that. Weeble. Weeble is a contender among the best investment apps because it has no account minimums or commissions, just like Robinhood.
Right.
The app provides real-time quotes, a full financial calendar, analyst ratings, and in-depth charts. Basically, what they're saying is, nerds, you found your place.
Yeah.
Here on Weeble. Currently, Weeble will give you free stock value between $3 or $300 for simply opening an account. Not bad. Or you can get another free stock valued at $8 to $2,000. $8 to $2,000 once you deposit any amount into your account. Basically, Weeble says, give me your money, I'll give you free stock.
Yeah, we got the stocks.
Yeah, we got the research tools. That's number 2, Weeble. Number 3, the best for additional financial services, we'll expound upon that, is a company called Betterment.
I've heard of Betterment.
Betterment Strength is an investment app that comes with from its variety of features. Ooh la la. Betterment was created as a robo-advisor, so it doesn't allow you to trade stocks. So basically they're saying, well, manage your money, long-term investing. Actually, truth be told, I have a Betterment account. I put a couple thousand. It's not my main account by any stretch of the matter. Put a couple $1,000, I think, in an index fund 5 years ago. It's certainly appreciated, but not a ton of money in it because I only put a couple $1,000.
Sure.
Maybe it's like $5,000 at this point. Basically, what happens on Betterment is after you enter your information and with your investment experience, how long you've been investing, what you want to accomplish, your objectives, your risk tolerance, they're going to basically decide upon a portfolio that you could use, right? And so they're going to use ETFs that diversifies your account across various asset classes. It's easy. It's easy to do. Yeah. Betterment, check it out. Number 4, Stockpile. This is the best for educational resources. This is Stockpile. Basically, you've heard of something called fractionalized shares? If you're saying, look, I can't afford a $3,500 Amazon stock, but I'll take a tenth of it, right? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
$350.
Cash App helps you.
Oh, Cash App too. All right, so we'll talk about Cash App. Stockpile stands out from the investment app crowd because it allows for the purchase of fractionalized shares. There it is. I hit the nail on the head. This can be hugely important for beginning investors or for those without a lot of money to invest because it allows for a diversified portfolio with even limited capital. They're basically saying, look, you can't afford all this stock. You can't afford, all these pricier stocks, the Apples of the world, the Amazons of the world, the Teslas of the world.
The Bitcoins.
Well, it's not a stock, but
Right,
yes.
but I'm saying like a lot of
Yes.
these investing apps
Yes.
allow for cryptocurrency. And I know,
Correct.
Sorry.
Correct. No,
I know
you're-
maybe getting ahead of myself, but
you're-
Cash App also lets you get a
You're there,
fraction of that
bro.
crypto.
You're there. Thank you, sir. They're basically saying you can invest in fractionalized shares, a tenth of it, less than a tenth of it,
Right.
half of it, whatever it is, fractionalize a portion of it. So that's number 4 for best educational resources, Stockpile. And number 5, something that I'm a fan of, but lukewarm fan, and I'll tell you why. The best for automated investments is none other than Acorns. Acorns. You heard of this app?
Yeah.
Acorns.
I've seen Ashton Kutcher on my YouTube ads a couple
yeah.
times.
Yeah, of course, Ashton, good guy. So the Acorn Caps app, basically, it's a robo-advisor, okay? And it charges you a couple bucks a month, nothing crazy, to allocate your funds among different ETF options. We all know that. But basically, the trick with Acorns is this, is they basically, it rounds up your spare change. So whenever you make a purchase, let's say you're going to buy something for, $9.50.
Yeah.
It takes 50 cents, rounds that up, boom, now you're investing that 50 cents. So it automatically rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar, investing in the additional funds in your portfolio. Look, there's good and bad with the Acorns because you're only investing 50 cents.
Yeah.
Okay, even if you're, going out to a nice dinner and you spend, $300 and the bill is $290.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's going to round it up to, so now you're investing $10. Not the best way to build your wealth, dollar at a time. Typically you want to do more than that, but it's better than nothing. And I interviewed Meet Kevin one time. He said the reason that he didn't like Acorns is because it associated investing
With spending. Which makes total sense, yeah.
Which investing is not spending. Investing is saving and then investing. So that was his take on that, which I actually agree with. Good point with that. I don't think he won for governor of California, but the guy is smart. But these are the top 5 investing apps according to Go Banking Rates. With that being said, we're agnostic when it comes to these investing apps unless they want to tell us why we should be talking about them. But these aren't the only apps. There's other apps out there called Wealthfront. I've used Wealthfront before. You talked about Cash App. They're doing stuff. You can buy crypto on Cash App.
Hey, PayPal, no? Does PayPal have
I don't
an
know. Let's look
investing
into
thing?
that.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. I know that they've invested in crypto or they accept crypto. You got SoFi. You got E-Trade, you got Stash, you got Personal Capital. Now, I invest a lot of my money with Vanguard, and I invested a lot of my money with Fidelity. To be frank, I actually just go on the website. I don't go on the app, but they have apps too. Anyway, those are the top investing apps. Take a look. You know how they say the best way to build your wealth? Like the best thing you can do to build your wealth, the number one indicator of why you would build wealth. Some people talk about rate of return and that maybe the fees that these apps are charging, right? AUM, asset under management fees, whatever. The best way to make sure that you have money?
What's that?
Putting your fucking money in there.
Yeah.
Investing your money.
Yeah.
Okay? So a lot of people overthink this kind of stuff. Well, I don't know. It's the fees and the structure and the diversified portfolio, and I don't know. I'm second guessing. Shut up, nerd. Just put your money in there.
Tell him, Adam.
Long-term investing. Yeah, obviously fees are important. Obviously rate of return is important. But if you don't put your money in there, it's never going to grow. Anyway, that's that. That's my 2 cents on that.
Talk is money. All we talk is money.
If you enjoyed that short clip from the Soscast, click here to watch another. Click here to watch the full episode, or just stay broke.